Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1963 Triumph TR3B. Powder blue, navy blue interior, black top boot. I believe it's got a black tonneau as well. 4-speed, 48 spoke chrome wire wheels, and the speedo on this reads 53,000 miles, possibly original, because the interior on this car is just fabulous, fabulous original interior. So let's go around this car. This is a TR3B, so it's got the 2.2 liter engine with the full synchro transmission. Really rare, real desirable variant of the Triumph side screen model. Refreshing in this lovely powder blue. Super nice little car. It's had a repaint, but like I said, that interior is all the original interior. Super good, honest car that we sourced from back east. Let's take a little walk around here. So really good paint. It is older, but it is still holding up beautifully. Great panel fit all the way around. Excellent chrome. Beautiful set of chrome wires with some older period Michelin's fitted, but great grille fit, great hood fit. Really, really good paint all the way around. But check out these, the hood gaps. That's really hard to achieve on a TR3A. But yeah, we'll do another small, slow walk around here. But yeah, everything's correct on this. Good panel fit. Really lovely, honest thing. A little bit of floor repair underneath, I believe on the driver's side. Without replacing the floor, I think they did a little repair. But very typical. Car just needs a few little touch-ups and knickknacks and stuff, but real simple stuff. So yeah, let's look at this car's wonderful interior. Totally original, dark blue interior. The 3B came with vinyl seats, and you can see here, these have never been upholstered. They're the original set. There is a little hole here in the driver's side, but that's an easy fix to get mended. But beautiful dashboard here. This is an adjustable steering car, which came with most of these adjustable steering wheel cars had wire wheels fitted, but it's a 4-speed car, no overdrive. In here, we can see it's a lovely trunk, just chock full of spares. There's a thick folder there of all the receipts, which I'm going to go through in detail, but really nice, nicely loaded up trunk with lots of spares there. But yeah, this makes a big difference having the 2.2 TR4 engine with the full synchro gearbox. This is the most desirable of all the 3A, 3B's variants. But yeah, nice unhit car, very straight. Older cosmetic restoration. Very nice clean engine bay on this car, I believe with its correct matching numbers engine. So from an investment standpoint, it's a really good one to have here. But yeah, original interior, original vinyls, one replacement carpet kit in black loop. But as you can see here, most all these cappings are original. Door panels, seats, everything just beautifully preserved. Hood stick frame, which is original to the car. Really good condition, black soft top, side curtains, full weather equipment. We're going to be posting a running, driving video of this car shortly. And excellent paint overall. I do see a couple small little chips and some small faults, but overall just excellent, beautifully preserved. Few owners, low mileage, 1963 Triumph TR3B Roadster, finished in its original color of powder blue which is just a lovely color paintwork on these cars. There's just so many red and white cars out there, but yeah, powder blue, original navy blue interior, black weather equipment, 4-speed, fog lamps, 48 spoke chrome wire wheels. Very, very nice running, driving car. We're going to be posting that video shortly. This car's for sale. It's fresh to the market. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.